Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I am making a quick and delicious 10-minute chili chicken. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup chicken pieces in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon flour, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt and 1 egg. Mix everything well. Now cover and keep aside for 5 minutes. Marinate the chicken properly for better flavor. Heat oil in a pan and fry the chicken in medium heat for about 5 minutes until golden and crispy. Do not overcrowd while frying. Remove and keep aside. Now in another pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. Roast for 30 seconds. Now add 3 tablespoon onion, 2 green chilies, 3 tablespoon capsicum. Stir fry for a minute. Add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Cook sauce on high heat for better taste. Adjust spice level according to your preference. Now add 1/4 cup water mixed with 1 teaspoon corn flour. Stir until the sauce thickens. Add the fried chicken pieces and toss oil. Cook for 2 minutes. Chili chicken is one of the most popular Indo-Chinese dishes. Corn flour helps create a crispy coating. Capsicum adds color and crunch to the dish. This dish is often served as both snack and main course. Chicken is a rich source of protein. Vegetables add vitamins and fiber. Homemade dishes help control oil and ingredients. Balanced spices enhance digestion. Your spicy and delicious chili chicken is ready. Serve hot with fried rice or noodles. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovative Foods for more quick and tasty recipes.